Okay, so it's going.
Okay. Okay.
I think it's going. Yes, it's going.
It's going.
It's going.
It's going.
Okay.
Okay. Where's your face? I'm right here. You need some foundation.
Oh, okay. It's so beautiful. I can feel it already.
Let's see. I want some eyeliner.
Taste foundation on my lips.
Oh, I like
that's how
the
you
foundation.
get it. That's how you get it. Get it. Oh God, where?
Is this the end? Gotta get that other eye. Gotta get it even. Okay. Let's see. Mascara. Where'd it go? Found it.
Foundation's slippery, I know.
Okay. Oh God. Is your eye closed? Okay.
Oh God.
Okay. The other eye now. Gosh. Oh, you're gonna look so pretty. Okay. We're done with that. Let's see. We have your foundation. Yeah, eyeliner. Oh, we need some eyeshadow. Oh, sparkly. Oh yeah. Where's your eye? Give me two different colors. Make you pretty. Okay.
Because when you give two different colors, it really brings out your eyeballs. We really know what we're doing when we do some makeup. You should come see us.
Yeah. Yeah. So true. Lip liner. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Ew. Close your mouth. Okay, there we go. We're getting it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, yeah, here we go. It's out. Look. Stop moving! You're gonna have to pay me extra to do this more often. Okay. Got that.
You little
Wow. Lip gloss. This looks feels pretty. I'll just use your leg. Yeah. Screw that. There's another. I am weak today. You can't peek. What is this? Whatever it is, if it's something I have to open, I can't get it open. Oh, here we go. I got this open.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna... Stop moving!
I'm sorry.
Oh, that smells delicious. Okay, enough of that.
I know, I got some of it up my nose.
Let me see. Is that it? No! No, we need some sparkles going on here. Here it is! I'm having trouble with opening things today. Just not my day. Not at all.
Okay.
Oh, hush. Stop! Some a little bit. Just a little bit on the other side. Okay, I think we're good. I think. Yes, we are good to go.
I'm looking beautiful, I bet.
Gorgeous!
Gorgeous! Yes, come see us and get your makeover. You'll be looking pretty like one of us.
Mm-hmm.
Bye!